The objective of this lesson is to write a ratio from a given statement about the human body, then test to see if the rules apply to them personally. Today's lesson is a task-based lesson where students will use their own body measurements to compare two average ratio rules. Students will identify which measuring tools will work more effectively than other tools in various situations. Before beginning this task, teachers have been advised to be sensitive to measuring, recording, or sharing results for this. Students have the option to opt out of any rules they feel uncomfortable with or sharing results. Let's begin with the task. The first average ratio rule states, twice around your neck is once around your waist. What is the numerical ratio of the rule? The numerical ratio would be 2, twice around the neck, to 1, once around the waist. In order to determine if the rule is true, the students will need to first measure their neck. What are some ways to get the measurement? One way would be to take a piece of string and measure around the base of their neck. Make a mark on the string to show the distance around the neck. Next, hold the string next to a ruler and measure the length. Make sure to place the end of the string right at the 0 mark on the ruler. Then pull the string tight, and where the mark lines up with the ruler is the measurement. This measurement was 34 centimeters around the neck. The rule states to go twice or 2 times around the neck. If once around the neck was 34 centimeters, then twice would be 34 times 2 equals 68 centimeters. Now to measure the waist. Take the string and measure around the waist. Make a mark. Now place the string next to a ruler and see how long it is from the end of the string to the mark. The measurement was 69 centimeters. 69 centimeters is very close to 68 centimeters. So yes, the rule was true for this set of measurements. Let's test out the same rule using just the string. The rule states the waist measurement is twice or 2 times the distance around the neck. Start by measuring the neck and going around 2 times. Make a mark on the string to show the distance around the neck 2 times. This distance should be very close to the distance once around the waist. It is. The rule was true in this scenario. The exact distance was not calculated, but the ratio of 2 times around the neck to 1 time around the waist was tested and found to be true. Let's look at one more measurement rule. The length of your foot is equal to the length of your forearm. The numerical ratio of the rule is 1 to 1. Let's measure using the string. Start with the length of the forearm. This is measured from the wrist to the elbow crease. Make a mark on the string. Next, place the string starting at the heel of the foot and go to the longest point on the big toe. Make sure to take shoes off before testing this rule. The rule was true. It wasn't exact, but it was very close. Just for fun, try one yourself. The measurement of fingertip to fingertip when your arms are stretched out is the measurement for how tall you are. This is also a 1-to-1 relationship. The objective for this lesson was to write a ratio from a given statement about the human body, then test to see if the rules apply to them personally. We met this objective by measuring the length of various body parts and comparing to other body parts to test ratio rules.